Hi, everybody. So this episode is for working out the NC counties and interpreting data in a graph. So we're going to be mapping, pretty much using the data from this chart here to map out what they need to do. So this is just a map for students to understand what a county looks like in North Carolina. They are allowed to go to this link to use the calculator. This is literally just a visual right here. They don't have to do anything with the map, just to understand what it looks like. I do want the students to highlight keywords in each problem, and then number 4 is already done for us, okay? There's even a video right here to explain how multiplicative comparisons work, which is important for question number 5. So right here you have a graph that says the North Carolina counties. This bar graph below shows the 8 largest counties in North Carolina by estimated land area. We went over today what a square mile is. A square mile is a square that is 1 mile long over some land by another square mile by another mile, and they make a square in distance. As we look at this, we understand that this scale is counting by 20, and that some of these bars are not actually on a line. These two are not, but that one is. So that one we can say without a doubt is 870. However, many of these bars are not on a line. So the ones that are not, I wrote inside the questions what their actual measurement was. So the kids don't have to sit there and figure it out. So question number 1, what is the difference between the largest county and the smallest county on the graph? So the key word here is going to be difference. I like it when they use all 3. So you can hit Control B, I, and U to do that, or you can press the buttons up there. That is very important because it shows the student what kind of word to be on the lookout for. And these are going to really, really help them on the test for all sorts of word problems. What is the difference between the largest county and the smallest county? So we look up here, the largest bar is Robeson County at 950 square miles. The smallest county is Beaufort County at 830 square miles. So difference means subtraction. If I always tell the kids, if I'm 27 and you're 9, how much older am I than you? What's our difference? And they would have to subtract. So you do 950 minus 830, put it in the calculator, and you get 120. Question number 2, what is the combined area of Wake and Columbus counties? So as you see here, neither Wake or Columbus are quite on a line. So I put in the exact measurements right here for students to be able to understand. The combined area is our key phrase here, because combined, we always do this little gesture. Combined means that you're putting 2 things together. So the combined area of Wake and Columbus County would be 835 plus 940. And together, you put it in the calculator. I can do it up here. Put it into the calculator. You do, what was it? Yep, okay, I thought I was right. 835, goodness, 835 plus 940 plus 940 equals 1,777. As a side note, do not touch this. This is an advertisement, as you can tell. Do not touch any of that. And so we're going to go here now, put in 1,775. And you know what? I should probably write out square miles so I remember what I'm doing. Okay. Third question is, how much longer is Bladen County? How much larger is Bladen County than Beaufort County? We see Bladen here is at 870, maybe a little bit more, so I'm going to guess 875. Oh, okay, it is. Good. Hopefully students will make that connection and start to put that together. How much larger is that than Beaufort County? So I didn't put the measurement for Beaufort because it touches the line. So we see it's at 830 square miles exactly. Our key phrase here is how much larger? How much larger is another comparison, talking about the difference between two things. So we're going to subtract 875 minus 830 to get 45 square miles. I did this one for you because I wanted you guys to understand what combined means, what it looks like when you are combining multiple things. So that one was kind of a freebie. You are adding all of the areas together and you get 7,090 square miles. This last one here, or second to last one, Watauga County, the county I went to college, Watauga County is 315 square miles. How many times larger is Sampson County at 945 than Watauga? So this one is tricky, but we practiced all day today multiplicative comparisons. When you see the word times, larger times smaller, you understand that that is going to have you multiply something. So obviously we're going to try to multiply 315 and see how many times is that going to take to get to 945. So let's try. Let's see. We know that 315 times 1 is 315. So let's try multiplying that times 2. Oh, 630. That's not quite it. 315 times 3 equals 945. So I know that a lot of kids are going to put 945 as their answer. How many times larger is Sampson County than Watauga County? This is a very important question to maybe write out the question as an answer statement. You might say Sampson County is blank times larger than Watauga County. Just to keep your mind right on what you're doing. And then you can go ahead and replace that blank with a 3. 3 times larger. If you look up here in the map, you see Sampson County right here, the red one, is much larger than my good old black and yellow over there, App State. Watauga County is very small. So down here, write and answer your own question about the graph. This is very important that you guys are using key phrases that we've gone over a lot in class. So I might, let's see, what's not been used? Brunswick hasn't been used. Oh, Pender hasn't been used either. Okay, let's see, I might say, how much land is there between, or how much land is there if you combined, gotta use that word, combined Pender County and Brunswick County? I would say, let's see, if I hit the tab button that indents, Pender County is 970, right? Or 870. And Brunswick is a little bit below 850, but much more above 830. So I'm going to say 845. 870 plus 845. And it's okay, again, to use the calculator for these. We're just practicing what these calculations should look like. So 870 plus 845 equals 1,715. So I'm going to put that right here, 1,715 square miles. And I'm done. So please let me know if you guys have any questions in addition to this. Oh, let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks for watching.